Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and you can have fun with drawing. In today's video, we're going to draw a fruit, rambutan, right? So let's prepare your stuff and let's enjoy together, right? At first, you need to draw something like this, guys. So I will suggest you to make like this kind of shape first. You go for circle. So it's like this, right? Okay, great. You can see, right, this is the circle, and then after that we go to make eyes first. So I will make a little bit big, I think, something like this. All right, then something like this. Okay, then I will make some beautiful mouth here, so like this, like smiley mouth like this. Okay, and then after that I just give this one circle again here, then here, then after that you just give like some, like this, circle again like this. So in here you can give this, all right, can give a black color over here, and then after that over here again. Okay, I hope you guys following the studio, the video until here. That's awesome, right guys? So the next one I will go to give some hair on the rambutan, because this fruit is really like just circle but have many hair at the outside on the skin. So let's try to make a random hair like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, just random guys, just enjoy your process to make rambutan together with me, right? No need to worry, no need to be afraid, just randomly give something like this. That will be really fun, right? You can go like this, you can go crazy, it's okay, it's all right. This will be, yeah, that's correct guys, right? This is the rambutan. Okay, right, okay, I think that's it, and we can give some a shy color here. So I will give this one over here like this, right? Then the other one is here. Okay guys, and let's give some color, and then I will speed up the video and then you guys can follow. All right, let's go. Okay guys, this is the final result of fruit rambutan. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to likes, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you.